all, Executive Chef Nicholas Armstrong from Siro's restaurant at 885 2nd Avenue in Manhattan. And this is Brazilian Beer-Marinated Chicken. All right, the first step that we're going to want to do with this marinade is we're going to take our blended oil. This is an 80-20 of canola and olive. I'm going to go ahead and cut some lemon segments. And what I like to do is just give them a nice squeeze, and I drop them right in there. Gives it a nice acid base, a nice zestiness from the rinds. The next thing I'm going to do is go in, add my dark beer. This is a lager, so it's nice and heavy but refreshing. Give that a nice stir. The next ingredient I'm going to add is just a touch of apple cider vinegar. Whole black peppercorns for a little spice. The oregano, which I like to leave right on the vine, and a generous amount of salt. Give that a nice little whisking. Okay, the next ingredient I'm going to go ahead and add in is some green bell pepper, diced. I've got some chopped garlic here, about 3 or 4 cloves. I got some lime to really give it a citrus kick. Rich Dijon mustard, some diced onion. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of ginger and cut a couple slices. Now, normally I would shave the ginger skin, but since this is just a marinade, it's not a finished product, I don't mind keeping it on. Finally, a little cilantro. We'll mix it up, add our final ingredient, paprika. Give it this nice red color. A little bit of bitter in there to go with the sour. All right, and the last step of our marinade here, now that it's finished, we're gonna wanna let it sit with the chicken for probably about 24 hours or so before I really do anything with it. That's what's going to allow it to soak the flavor in. You keep it right in your refrigerator, keep it nice and cold. When it comes time to pull the chicken out, to grill it, you're going to want to pull it out and let it sit for about a half hour to come to room temperature, and then you should be good to go from there. I got a hot grill plate here ready to go. We're just going to mark this off. Here's that classic look we're going for. Obviously, most of you at home probably don't have hot plates like this, but the grill is just as good. Now, since I'm not cooking with open flame here, I'm going to go ahead and put these chickens on a sizzle platter and finish them off in the oven, and then we'll soon after plate. And that's Brazilian Beer-Marinated Chicken. This is Executive Chef Nicholas Armstrong from Siro's restaurant at 885 2nd Avenue in Manhattan, and you're sure to love this Brazilian Beer-Marinated Chicken.